Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Lost Soul Aside game. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So what you have to do, open Steam, go to library, then right click on Lost Soul Aside game and then go to properties and then go to controller tab. And next to override for Lost Soul Aside game, click this drop down and then select enable Steam input. Then close this tab and then you can launch the game and check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. This has fixed the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now the second solution is to restart Steam or restart PC. So close the Steam from task manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch the Lost Soul Aside game and check. If that doesn't help, then simply restart your PC once, then run Steam as an admin and then launch the game and check. Third fix is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working or not. Fourth solution is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controller, display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then launch the game and check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. So by this way you can fix the controller or gamepad not working problem in Lost Soul Aside game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.